Greetings of the day. Good morning, judges and innovators. I'm Tanya.
I'm Arya.
And I am Arav.
We present you the COFGuard, a revolutionary carbon oxide filter tackling vehicle emissions. Global temperatures have risen 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit since the Industrial Revolution, largely due to CO2 from vehicles every day. Do you know how many humans die every year due to air pollution?
The answer is a whopping 1.67 million people.
Ella Adukisi Debra was a young girl from London who died in 2013 from a severe asthma attack caused by air pollution. Her death became the first in the UK legally linked to toxic air exposure. I wondered how many people in the world or India would have died this way. This thought sparked an idea in us. Another problem is industrial pollution, which has caused global warming. We can solve these problems with our project.
So we developed a device called COFGuard. It can be attached to any exhaust and filters out the harmful or greenhouse substances from the exhausted gases. It can be also used to monitor the CO2 levels in the exhausted gases. Its features are: it can be customized for various vehicles, it is cheaper than other methods, it is waterproof, it can be also used to monitor CO2 levels in the exhausted air. The concept behind this is that we have used a zeolite filter which captures CO2. When the exhaust gases pass through the zeolite filter, the zeolite absorbs the CO2 and releases it into nitrogen when it is reheated. Then this air passes through the mesh separator and goes into the monitoring compartment, where we have used an Arduino and an MQ135 sensor to monitor the CO2 levels. It first detects the R0 level and accordingly senses how much CO2 is in the exhausted gases. I have also used a buzzer which beeps when the filter stops working. If the ppm is 400, it's normal, 600, a crowded place. Average in a car's exhaust, 5,000. With our filter, 2,500. The buzzer beeps when the ppm is 5,000, which means the filter is not working.
In the future, we aim to scale this technology for industrial and agricultural applications by developing larger filters made with an advanced substance such as amine. We also plan to design a chamber capable of filtering CO2 and smoke from chimneys and various industrial and agricultural applications. In the future, we also intend to integrate a Wi-Fi module to send real-time CO2 levels to the owner's device, multiplying its environmental impact. Thank you.